Hi guys, welcome to Futuristic Quick Video. In this session we are going to see how we can install Flutter on our development machine. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Search. Type Flutter in the search box and hit enter. You will see the Flutter home as a first result of search. Below you will see the install link. Click on the link. On the Flutter download page you will see the support for 4 main operating systems: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS. We are going to download for Windows version. Click on Windows icon. Before you install Flutter on your machine, you have to comply system requirements as shown on the page. If you are installing on Windows 10, then you are complying to most of the requirements. If you have not installed Git for Windows before, download form Git homepage. When you are sure you have complied the requirements as given on this page, you may proceed to download the Flutter package. At the time of this video, latest version of Flutter is 1.17 and it is stable version. Click on the button and download. Navigate to your desired download folder. And press the Save button. Step 2. Open your Windows Explorer and navigate to root of your C drive. Create new folder and name it src. After that, navigate to your download folder where you have downloaded Flutter SDK. Unzip the downloaded package. Inside the unzipped folder you will see the Flutter SDK folder. It contains all required SDK files. Copy the Flutter folder and copy in the source folder that we have just created, at the root of C drive. Once you have copied all the files, then you have to register the path to Windows environment. From the Windows Start menu, open Edit the System Environment Variable window. Click on the Environment Variables button. Add the path of Flutter SDK. Step 3. After setting the environment, verify the installation. Open the command prompt. Type Flutter version. You will see Flutter 1.17 is installed successfully. Well done. You are ready with Flutter.